Everybody, this is David Brett, your instructor for this course. I wanted to welcome you to the first week of MSOM 601 and give you a little bit of a preview for this week to get you started and to help you get off to a fast start. I am in Dubai today, and let me pan around here. That building behind me, I'm going to go up as far as I can here. The building behind me is called the Burj Khalifa. And the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, okay? If you saw the Tom Cruise movie, Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, that was the building that was featured in that video. So just having a wonderful time here in Dubai. It's really hot here, so if I'm perspiring, please forgive me. I shouldn't say if, I should say I'm perspiring, so please excuse me. But welcome from Dubai. This week you have 2 discussion boards and you have an application quiz that you need to make sure that you focus on. The first discussion is really 2 parts. It asks you to introduce yourself, and then it asks you to recap some of the most important things that I find in the courses. And you'll find that information in the videos and also in the announcements. And so it's the first thing I want to tell you. Make sure as soon as you get into this course that you look at the announcements and you read through all of those. And then in lesson 1, you're going to watch a bunch of videos that talk about formatting and flow and other things with the papers. So make sure that you do that. That'll be the most important thing, really, that you do in lesson 1 for me. Let me talk to you just a bit about introductions. Don't phone this one in. Make sure that you're very thorough on this. And the reason being, I'll tell you a story. True story, by the way. One of my students in the class posted their introduction, and there was another student in the class who sent them an email and said, hey, your background sounds like something that we're looking for in our company, and we have a new position that we've just created, and if you're interested in that, I'll send you the information, and perhaps we can get together and talk about it. Well, long story short, they sent the information, sent in their resume, and got hired, okay? And that was because of an introduction that they had in one of the courses. So don't phone it in. Make sure that you're very thorough on those, okay? So that's discussion 1. Remember, your discussions, your initial post needs to be in by Friday night each week, and then you have 2 subsequent response posts to other students' posts that's due by Sunday night. So first post, Friday night. Did I say that earlier, or did I say Sunday? The first post, let me repeat, backtrack. First post, first initial post, due Friday night. The response posts are due Sunday night by 11:59, okay? The second discussion this week asks you to go to the CSU online library and find a research article, and then save it as a PDF and recap it, summarize it, and put it in your discussion board. Now, the reason that I'm doing this is you need to get used to utilizing the CSU online library for your research. I talk about that in the introductory video, so this just gives you an opportunity to go out and get a live firsthand look at all of that information. So discussion 2 is the CSU online library and your summary of the article and posting the PDF there as well. And then one of the things that you'll do here is in lesson 1 is an application quiz, and you'll have probably no other quizzes in this entire degree program. But the reason that I do this is I have the top 20 challenges, issues, things that I see from brand new students who are getting into the degree program. Some of these questions revolve around expectations, some of them revolve around APA and other things. So you're going to have to look very closely at the videos in lesson 1, look at my Word document that I place in there about writing, watch the videos, read the announcements, and then take that quiz. 20 questions here, some are true, false, some are multiple choice, some are multiple answer. You'll have an hour to complete it, and so again, the quiz and the grade is not that important to me. It's the most important thing is that you understand what the expectations are, not only in this class, but for graduate studies in general, okay? So if I were in your shoes, what I would be doing, read all the announcements, watch all the videos, go through the lesson 1 materials, and then post your discussions, both discussion 1, discussion 2, and the application quiz needs to be taken. Everything in the course needs to be completed by Sunday night, 11:59, except the original post, the initial post of the discussion boards needs to be in by Friday. All right? Well, I hope you're having a great start to the week. I travel quite a bit, and I'll be in a bunch of different locations, but I'm always accessible, so make sure that you, if you have a question for me, that you send me an email. All right? Have a great week. Chat with you soon.